everyone, and welcome to Easy English Convo, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm very happy to be here today.
You sound happy, Daniel. What's going on?
I'm hungry, Emma. Very hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. A big burger, crispy fries, and a cold drink.
Oh no, now I'm hungry too. That's a perfect topic for today.
Yes, today we're going to learn English at a restaurant.
Don't worry, it's easy, polite, and fun.
Before we start, please subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps our channel.
Okay, Daniel, you arrive at a restaurant. What is the first thing you say?
I smile and say, hello.
Perfect. Then you need a table.
So I say, a table for one, please.
Very good. If you are with a friend, you say, a table for two, please.
Easy.
The waiter might say, this way, please.
I sit down. I look around. What do I need next?
You need the menu.
So I say, can I have the menu, please?
Excellent. Always remember, please is very important. Now you look at the menu. You see starters, main dishes, desserts, and drinks.
I see pasta, pizza, burgers. Wow.
The waiter comes and asks, are you ready to order?
And I say, yes, I am.
Now order politely.
I would like a cheeseburger, please.
Perfect. You can also say, I'll have the cheeseburger, please.
I like that. It sounds natural.
The waiter may ask, anything to drink?
I'd like a soda, please.
The food arrives.
Wow, it looks delicious.
The waiter says, enjoy your meal.
I say, thank you.
Later, the waiter asks, is everything okay?
Yes, it's very good. Or, yes, it's delicious.
Great English.
What if I need more water?
You say, excuse me.
Then, can I have some more water, please?
Perfect. Very polite.
After the meal, the waiter may ask, would you like dessert?
Yes, I'd like chocolate cake, please.
Great choice.
Time to pay. You say, can I have the bill, please?
Or, the check, please?
Both are correct. Hello, welcome.
Hello, a table for one, please?
Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like pasta, please.
Anything to drink?
I'll have water, please.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Let's review some useful phrases.
A table for one, please? Can I have the menu, please? I'll have... Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments, what is your favorite food at a restaurant?
Thank you for learning with Easy English Convo.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.